Hello guys, welcome to KizFX. Now in today's video, I'm going to be flipping this $200 into $5,000. I'm doing this for a client and he has given me the full go ahead to actually be very aggressive with this account because he needs this money very fast. So now right now you have to know something, that when you're flipping an account, you should have it in mind that you are actually risking all your equity on the account. So that's what flipping of account is. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now in trying to flip this account. Now let's try and check for an entry. Yeah, now I'm looking at gold right now and I've seen an entry on gold, and I've actually opened one or two positions on this entry, and I'm seeing a buy entry. And the reason why I'm seeing this is because the market is doing some kind of short pull to the upside. So that's why I'm actually taking this particular entry on gold. Now, as you can see right now, you can see on this line I'm drawing right now, you can see it's doing a kind of a trend, a little trend in that particular zone right there, and I'm targeting this particular side up, that the price should get to this point. So I'm just doing a quick scalp on this and see if I'll be able to get something very reasonable out of the market. So as you can see, my entries, I've added so much entry, and it's kind of like I said, I'm going very aggressive on this because I need this account to go up very fast. So I'm actually going very aggressive, and we are kind of floating right now a little bit in our profit. So let's just close our chart and go and come back and see what the market has given on to us. Now we are back again, and right now, as you can see, we have moved from our entry point into so much profits in the market. Now we're floating between $1,000 right now, and I think this profit, it's very good. I wouldn't want to risk further again because I'm seeing that the market is kind of slowing down right now, so it's best I close up. So let's just close up right now, our bulk operation, and then we close. Right now we have closed our position right now, and our profit is standing at $1,052.04. So that's what we have gotten so far. So as you can see, just like we said, we had this pull to the upside, and of course the market moved towards that direction and gave us something very reasonable, and our profit is standing at $1,000 right now. So let's just look for another entry and see where we can get this account to. Now I'm back again on gold, and I'm seeing a very good entry for a sell. Now we took this buy, and just like I said, the buy was exhausted, so I'm seeing the sell starting up right now. So I'm just entering some entries right now on the sell. So we took the buy, and right now we are actually taking the sell. Yeah, now on this sell, I'm seeing that the market will actually sell massively. So I'm going to be adding more positions to this because I'm seeing that the market will actually sell very massively because it's actually the original trend of the market. You know, we took a quick scalp to the buy, and then right now we are back in the original trend of the market, which is of course a sell. So we're going to be adding more positions to this so we can actually maximize our profit from this. So I'm adding more position right now, seeing that the market will actually go very far and give us something very good. I think this one we've added, it's very okay for now. It will actually get us what we actually want. So now, where is our target in this trade right now? Now our target on this trade right now is this particular week on this downside here. Now let's locate it right now so that we can actually know what we are actually targeting. So on this week's right now, below this line, just below this line is where our target is for this particular cell. So we'll get this point, or we can even get above this point. That is just our area of target. So we're expecting the market to get to that point or get above that point, and then we'll actually take our profit when that happens. So having said all of this, let's just go and come back and see what the market actually has given us from our trade that we have set so far. So let's just go and come back and see what the market has given us. Right, guys, we are back again, and then our profit right now is floating around 4,600 and heading towards 5,000. Now let's just see what happens from the market. Now as soon as we enter the market, we had this pull to the downside, and then just like we said, the line that we target, our target zone, was even passed. Now we got to that target zone and we even surpassed it, and then right now we are seeing that our profit is floating 4,000 and heading towards 5,000. So our target is 5,000, and as soon as we get to 5,000 we'll close. Now we are up by 5,000. Let's just do our bulk operation right now and close. Good. Now we have closed right now, and our profit is standing at $5,212.24. $5,212.24. And then this is where we got the trade from, and it got to our target and even got past our target. Just like we said, we are actually hoping it to go past that line. Of course it does, and it gave us massive profit, and our profit right now is standing at $5,212.24. Now if you like this video and you want us to flip an account for you like this, or help you manage your trading account, you can actually send us a direct WhatsApp message, or you can send us an email, and we'll be glad to help you flip your account or manage your trading account for you. You can also join our Telegram channel where I share free signals of our trades, so you can actually take those trades and make good profit from the forex market. Now if you like this video, please kindly smash the like button, turn on your notification bell, and of course subscribe to this channel so you can be getting more content from this channel. Until I see you again, keep making every pip count.